Hi everyone, my name's Kendra Carrot and today we're going to be milking a goat. Specifically, we're going to be milking one of my favorite goats. Her name's Grain, and here's a little information about her. Grain is a Saanen goat, just like that. And she's from Switzerland originally. Very docile and affectionate, all white coat, erect ears, high milk production, low butter fat content and milk. Let's start milking Grain. First things first, we have to go get her. She's right over here. There she is. Hi, Grain. Are you ready to get milked? Come on, Grain, let's go. This is Grain and her milking stanchion. This is where we milk them outside. She's eating all of her lovely grain, just like her name. And over here is where I'll be sitting to milk her. These are her teats. They're some of my favorite teats on the farm. They're like handlebars. That's a full goat. So first, we use a pre-wash. That's a diluted iodine concentrate that we keep in yogurt containers. We love straws. We first wring it out to make sure it's nice and like not too wet but damp, and it even has her name on it, Grain. So now we just wipe her teats over here. Oh yeah, clean teats, we love a clean teat. And then we wipe all around her udders. Yeah, nice and clean. And then we dry her off with a little towel to make sure she doesn't chafe or anything like that. Brilliant, nice and dry. We have a strip cup that we strip out all and any old milk that might be in Grain. Make sure it's all nice and fresh milk. We love fresh milk. Do you love fresh milk? Then we take our bucket and then we go and start milking. Oh, y'all need to see this. This is how we milk. We do the OK symbol and then we pinch and then roll our fingers down. Just like this. Pinch and roll. Look at all the milk. Oh, so much milk. We can even do the other teat. Yes, very satisfying. Can you hear it? So, Grain is pretty much milked out now. Her teats here, they're a lot flatter. We're just gonna really squeeze. Now I'm just getting the last little bits of milk out. The last little bits. Wow, look, her udder's so empty. And look at all the milk she just gave us. It's so frothy. Milkland. So we have this concentrated iodine. It's like a liquid Band-Aid for her. It is red in color, but it's okay. She's not bleeding. It's just teat dip. So we're just gonna go boop, and then boop. And now she's ready to go back in the barnyard. She's all milked out. Teat dip is on. Grain, thank you for your patience. Let's all say thank you, Grain. Thank you so much. You're such a gem. We love you so, so much. Thank you.